Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can extract an RAR file. So here is the RAR file I'm going to extract. So for that, first you have to open a browser and go to this site called 7zip.org, and from here you have to download the program. So after the download finishes, you have to open it. Then you have to just install this program and click on close. After that, you have to go to that .rar file and right click on it, and here you will find the option called 7zip. In here you have to move your mouse and click on extract here or extract files. If you want to extract here, just click on extract here. So the file has been now extracted. This is how you can extract a RAR file. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.